Hi there, welcome to Hashi's channel. This is our second tutorial. Alright, now we are going to discuss how we can group data into different class intervals using SPSS. Now I have this data set, the number of students who have registered for each academic course in an academic year. So there are 33 courses and uh, each number of students who have registered for the courses. Okay, so first of all, I should know what is the maximum and minimum value before I choose class intervals. So actually, I have calculated that in SPSS. So the minimum value is 23 and the maximum value is 169. Okay, so I am going to construct them here. So all you have to do is go to transform and choose record into different variables. Okay, now in this dialog box, here comes your variable. So if you have many variables, you will have all the variables listed here, and you can choose which variable you want to compute. In this case, I have only one variable. So, and I am going to choose that variable into this input box. Okay. Next, you want the output variable name because we are going to construct a new variable which is a class intervals. Okay. So, let me name it as classes, and we can have a label name that is class intervals maybe. Okay. So, next, you click change. Okay. Now you can see that students have been changed to classes. Okay. So that is our new variable. Next, you have to click on this old and new values. Okay. Now, since we are going to create class intervals, so we come to the range. Okay. So you pick different kinds of ranges for different kinds of new values. Okay, so you're going to assign a value for each class. So the first class I would like to choose is from 20 because the minimum value is 23, so we go from 20 because it looks neat and nice. From 20 to 44, and let me name it as the class 1. Okay, and I click add. So this box shows that from 20 to 44 it is named as class 1. Next, I select the range from 45 to 69, and let me label it as class 2 and add. Next, from 70 to 94, and let me label it class 3 and add. From 95 to 119, class 4, and 122, 144 as class 5, and 145 to 169. Actually, that is the maximum value we have. Okay, so that would be class 6. Okay, so once you have added all the classes there, you click continue. Okay, now you come back to the previous dialog box, and there you have to click OK. All right, now you go to your data window, so you can see that the classes have been listed here. So for the classes. Let me do a small modification. I don't want decimals here, so I want to see it with no decimal, so looks nice now. So 23, okay. So the 23 belongs to class 1. That is actually because it is the minimum value and we know that it belongs to class 1, right? Okay, so in this way all the classes are categorized. Okay, so there are 6 classes, and you can see here that the maximum value 169 belongs to class 6, that is the last class. Okay, so this is how you can group your data into different class intervals using SPSS, and it will help you for more work with SPSS when you have grouped your data, right? Okay, so thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you.